Okay, bye. Thanks po.
Tignan niyo po. Yung Shopee po. Unahin natin tong malaki. Ang stickers.
Mayroon ko na nga lang sa akong tira eh.
Ano?
Mayroon ka na nga lang ng tira eh.
Ang ganda ng loob. Photocard siya.
It looks so good on your college application. And if you keep it up, you can get a full nice scholarship to Berkeley, just like your cousin Julia. Don't worry, I only think about selling every second
Ulas na po.
year because I want you to achieve everything we set out to do. And
Ano naman yun?
so you can take care of you when I'm home.
Okay na.
But first,
Aha, meron pa pala.
of course, yes, I need like protein and vegetables.
Ganda po. Pwede mo siya isabit sa bag.
I'm so sorry.
So, babalik ko na.
Just so you don't have to worry about the food. This is just every dollar you have.
Oh, Julos! Ano ba yan eh?
We can make this some food, huh? No,
Ano ba yan?
you're just not home from work. So you go rest. This is
Ganda.
fine.
Ito na lang. Ganda.
Hello? Oh, hi, Mark.
Wait,
Now?
wait, parang may mga nahulog. No?
Okay, I'll come back.
Lalagyan ko ito mamaya ng photocard. Sasabit ko ito sa ID.
But didn't you just get done
Ito
with
pa, maraming photocard.
Uy, pengi.
Besides, we need them ready.
Uy.
It's a good thing.
Una, oh.
I just wish you didn't have to.
Oh. Yay!
About me.
Huwag ko nang hingi sa akin
Just hope this
pag-ulit
understand.
ng
I'll see you when I get home, okay?
Marami na yan.